here's the deal. We have a beautiful day here in Tennessee. And I and Tracy, we have been wanting to tear this deck down. It was built and we just don't like the looks of it. But we also need to build a new shed. And so my thought was, we have 2x12s underneath here. There's a lot of good wood. So I'm gonna recycle most of this pressure treated lumber and make a floating shed here in the next few weeks. I'm gonna have a $6,000 shed that hopefully I'll be able to do for around $1,500. So we're gonna get started on it today. We're gonna have to kind of dismantle it a little more carefully than you would just a typical demo job. But here we go, we're gonna get on it.
And I could give you an update on this bathroom. If you all remember from last episode, I shared with you this 1970s bathroom right off the hallway. It's the bathroom that all the kids use, and because we don't have the money to do a full renovation, we thought we would do a few things to make it better, one of which we shared last week, which was to redo the countertop with some epoxy appliance paint. So we love the way the vanity turned out, but if you remember, there were two vanities in this bathroom, and the second one we decided we wanted to get rid of it, and we were gonna do shelves instead. So I took some video on my phone of the whole process, and I'm gonna share it with you now. All right guys, it's time for this vanity to get out. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use a box cutter to try to loosen up the caulk line right here so that I can try to get this away from the wall. And then I'm going to use a chisel and a hammer to try to gently remove that without doing too much damage to the drywall. Okay, so I was able to use my box cutter to loosen the caulk line, and then I was able to use a chisel and a hammer and use these two guys, boom, to remove the countertop and the backsplash. And now it's time to get this guy out. So I'm going to remove these drawers and then try to gently remove the cabinet from the walls. All right, called in some reinforcements. Size in his pajamas. I'm ready, I think. Oh. Here we go.
Yeah, I do have
gloves. So that's good. So we got that vanity out, and now it was time to paint that area. And I'm going to give you a little sneak peek of something we're up to. We're going to be using some black shiplap in that area, and we're going to be sharing that in a future episode. So stay tuned. But for now, let's go back outside and see what sign the kids are up to.
From the wall right here. 2 by 12s. I got everything I need. Did a great job removing the deck off the front of the house, and Si has already begun to reuse that old wood and is starting to build himself a shed, and we're going to share that in a future episode as well. Which reminds me, if you are interested in getting daily updates about our renovation, we would love it if you would follow us over on my Instagram account. It's Beneath My Heart on Instagram, and we would also love for you to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and if you hit that bell, you will get a notification when any of our videos go live. Again, thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.